everybody. Thank you guys for tuning in to my channel, Danny Ray Lives. So as you guys saw in the title, we are doing a cooking video today. I don't know if any of you guys get down on some cashew cream. I've not ever tried it that I know of, but I'm gonna make it today and then we're gonna put it with a few recipes later on in the week. I'm just making it to get it out of the way. Thought it would be a good opportunity for a video. So let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. And thanks for watching. Let's head over to the kitchen. So I have gathered the recipe here. We got pickled jalapenos, cashews, lemon juice, and apple cider vinegar. Not a whole lot going on, so that is a nice and easy one for you today. Okay, so the first step is we're gonna do 2 cups of cashews. Hopefully I have enough. I probably just have 2 cups. I'm gonna use all my cashews. So 1. I guess it's good to know these jars are only a cup. That'll be nice because I don't actually measure things in the van yet. We're just gonna use all of them, yeah. So 2 cups of cashews. You're gonna put water over all of these. You just want them to be, I don't know how well you'll be able to see it, you just want them to be covered with water. You don't want too much water there. So we're gonna bring that to a boil and then we're gonna let it simmer for 10 minutes and then we're gonna drain the water out. It's just to soften up the cashews because we're gonna blend it all together. Okay, so while that is going on, let me grab a knife. We're gonna get some lemon juice. We need a 1/3 cup of lemon juice. So I have this lemon, or this lime strainer, but these lemons are like crazy, and I'm really not even sure how to use this. Oh yeah, okay, no, I got this. This wasn't as bad. I don't think I'm doing this right, but it worked. It got all the lemon juice out, so we're gonna keep using it. And I think I'm gonna need more than 1 lemon here. Yeah, I'm gonna need about 2 lemons total. So we're gonna do 2 lemons. Guys, please comment. I don't do these cooking videos very often. Comment and let me know if I'm doing this right. Okay, this is what I got going on. But I had to put it in this way because like the holes are down here, but that's where the skin is. So comment down below if you can help me. I don't know how to work this. But it's working. It is working, so maybe I am doing it right. So the cashews are in there, they're softened up, and then we just have to add the rest of the ingredients and blend it. So we are gonna do our third cup of lemon juice. We are going to do our cup of water. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, guys, is really good for so many different things. I just think you guys should all look into it because it's really, really good for you. And it's delicious. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of pickled jalapeno juice. This is Eamon and Beck's recipe from YouTube. If you guys watch them, give them a shout out and like this video for them. This is their recipe. And a little bit of salt. Let me grab the salt here. A bit of salt. We're gonna do 2 teaspoons of salt. These are only halves, so I use 4. Smells pretty good. Now I think I'm gonna add just a little bit more water to this. Just a little bit. And I'm gonna blend it a little bit longer. This is a little thick. And if it's a little thick, you can just thin it up by adding some water to it. Yum, yum. And so I already have a couple of jars. Those jars the cashews went in. Look at how delicious that looks. 1, 2. And then let's put a little in a jar and try it. We'll put the rest just right in there. I don't want to waste any of it. There you have it, guys. Look at how yum. That looks so good. So I got 2 jars now of cashew cream, and I'll show you guys the recipes that we do from. I'll show you guys the recipes we do from the rest of the week with that. We're gonna do Caesar salads where that is in place, and then we're gonna do mushroom stroganoff where that is gonna be in place. And we're really trying out some plant-based meals on this next grocery shop. We normally plan out our meals, but I got Eamon and Beck's cookbook, so I'm gonna try some plant-based meals and see how that goes. I'm pretty excited about it because we kind of been eating like junk in this quarantine, a lot of snacky snacks. So yeah, it'll be a lot better. Do some plant-based stuff. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I'll catch you in the next one. Oh my God, that's so good.